Replacing hub bearings. Front wheel. Not axle bearing, which is in the back on the axle. But all you gotta do is push that spacer aside. A little tappy tap hammer. That bearing came out really easy. And of course, once you get so far, you really need something with a hole in it. There it is. This is the other hub. And I thought, well, you can use a socket to put a bearing in. Why not use one to get them out? You know, that was a second bearing. Can't do that with the first one, but that was pretty easy. Everything's nice and clean. Only the inner races on both hubs are really beat up. They're really fun. Grease is your friend. Grease helps them slide in. I wish I could find some dry ice. I'm making sure it's going in evenly, or as close to even as I can make it. Turn it over to make sure it's fully seated. With the inner bearing in, we'll drop the spacers in the right way. Spacers in. Tap the bearing hole. Now it's time to make more of a mess with grease. The grease I'm using is Ultra Lube. It's made from soybeans. Bigger seals can be fucking starving. Now to clean up these spindles. We'll wipe down these spacers. For some more grease. Pushing on. Spindle. And the inner bushing. I've already got plenty of grease. Get the castle nut washer on. sure the cotter pin hole lines up with the nut. And then cotter pins, put your wheels back on, and you're good. Lugs. Using my needle torque wrench, because I found that clickers don't work well at the lower torque values.